So I've had my 6.7 Powerstroke for a little over a year now, and I've put about 50,000 miles on it, hauling rigs all over the country. Now, I've noticed it's developed a little bit over time a rattle in the rear end, and I just couldn't figure out what it was. I checked everything was tight back there, and then finally I figured out it's the cab bushing. And that's probably another reason why I had a 7.3 Powerstroke before this, and I thought it rode pretty good. And this one, I'm like, man, it doesn't ride that much better. It's all coil springs. And I'm thinking that the body bushing might be part of that problem. So today, we're gonna show you how to fix these body mount bushings for good. Now, anytime I want to upgrade my diesel truck or I have an issue with it, my first call is my buddy Nate at NCB Diesel. Now, I called him not too long ago and got a intake for this truck. I got an S&B intake, and we're super impressed by the quality. Got it installed, and I'm super happy with it. Now, it came time this time, I knew I needed body bushings, so once again gave NCB Diesel a call, and they said actually S&B Filters makes the best body mount bushings. Now, they're $700, which might sound pricey, but you never have to replace them again. They are lifetime warranty. If you put factory body mount bushings back in these trucks, they will come apart again. It's only a matter of time. So these are lifetime warranty, and they will pay for them to be replaced if you need them replaced, which isn't going to happen. So yeah, so I hit up NCB, got a set of those on the way. Now we're heading down to Birmingham to my buddy Michael Lee's shop, Tapco, and we're gonna see how quick we can get these bad boys installed. So full disclosure, I'm not getting paid to do this video. I'm not sponsored by S&B Filters, and I'm just trying to help my buddies out because they helped me out. Do you hear that?
Hey guys, Michael Lee here. You might know me from UTV racing, King of the Hammers, Ultra 4, Pro Rock racing, but today we're at my shop, Birmingham, Alabama, Tapco, and we're installing body mount bushings from S&B Filters on Matt Meyer's truck from Busted Knuckle Films. Take a look.
The first step in this whole process is you've got to remove the 8 bolts holding the bushings to the frame. You want to probably at least break them loose by hand first. Now, one of the biggest dead giveaways, besides obviously having the rattle, is the body line being off. You can tell here and here, there's probably a ½ inch off on the body line. That's where the worst one of the bushings is. That one not want to come loose either?
No.
So the nut cert's definitely let loose on both of these front ones, front part of the cab. So we'll definitely have to be reaching in, accessing through the fender well to get to them.
Bud.
And you can get to it that way, look at there. Little access hole. So all of the rest of the bolts came out, no problem with an impact, but these 2 front cab mounts both spun the nut in there, so time to take the inner fender well loose, and then there's a little access hole in there. You can just get in there,
This guy.
hold it down, get loose.
Right now.
CrossFit 2.0.
I mean, seriously.
All right, so now that we finally got all the bolts loose, it's time to lift the body up just enough so we can, not a lot, just enough so we can get the stock, foam bushings out and install the new ones.
Well, just for stability, we're going on the farthest back corner we can and the front forward spot as we can.
Yeah. You're just lifting it up from the pinch weld?
Yeah, just get on the pinch weld, lifting up maybe 2 or 3 inches, not much, just enough to get the bushings out, maybe hammer a couple out if they get stuck, but not very much.
Cool. Body lift.
Yeah, body lift. We're gonna be like the new kids and not lift the rear of the truck though.
So here's a factory one next to the S&B. Factory one has different stages of foam, and this one's probably one of the better conditions of the ones on the truck. And it's still starting to get beat up and deteriorated. There are other ones on the truck I'm sure that are demolished. We'll show you those in a minute. But these S&B ones are supposed to be better because they're made of silicone and they have a lifetime warranty. So pretty much they will pay for you to get a new set, put on your truck, up to like 150 bucks in labor or something like that. So they use silicone instead of the cheap polyurethane that people try to put on these trucks that will make it ride like a log wagon because there's no give. These silicone ones should last forever and have plenty of give. So should make it ride like brand new or better. That'll do it right there.
Yeah, I think you got it's money's worth on that one.
Yeah. So that's probably part of the noise and why the body was not aligned very well. Jump. Just pulled that one out by hand like I'm trying to be a badass on this last one.
Oh man, this one.
That one's gone.
There's one piece. There's another piece.
Yeah. And that's why my truck's rattling. Those two right there. Back of the cab. So the easiest way to get these out is basically stick a pry bar in between them and pry them apart. It's got like a little press fit. Hold them together. That's all there's to it. I'm ready to put the new ones in.
There it is. We're gonna pull the frame back down, the body back down a little bit. Just enough to get these bolts to go in after we put these bottom pieces on. Then we'll drop it down the rest of the way. Should be good to go.
Look at the difference in the body line already. Lining back up where it's supposed to be. And I'm willing to bet when we leave here, no more rattle. So what do you torque those down to?
76 foot pounds? Is that right?
76.
I'm just a wrench holder, man. For any of those that are doing it at home, you don't have to have a lift to do it. You can just use a jack and a block of wood and just jack it up. Just try and do it as even as possible so it doesn't offset the body. It's kind of a bit more pain in the butt to do it that way, but it's definitely possible at home.
Down already, you know this.
That beautiful body line lined up again.
One day.
There you go, folks. Professionals did it in right around an hour. So surely in your shop you can do it in 2 or 3 hours. Get a couple buddies. Awesome.
All right, guys, so just finished up Matt Meyrick's F250, got the body mounts installed. Not all that we do here is diesel trucks. We kind of work on a little bit of everything. The downtime we have right now in the economy, it's a great time to get your car worked on. We're not going anywhere. We're open during all of this, and we're here to help you if we need it. Anything from oil changes to engine replacements and even aftermarket upgrades from suspension, bumpers, winches, lights, anything, we can get you taken care of. So give us a call, Tapco in Birmingham, Alabama.
All right, so obviously it fixed the body misalignment issue that we were having. Now it's time to find out if that rattle is gone. And if that rattle's gone, I'm gonna be so freaking excited. A little small bump here. No rattle. Yes! I'm telling you right now, if you are thinking about making a change to your 6.7 Powerstroke truck because you think it rides bad, first step. Step one, spend the $700 and do some S&B body mount bushings. I was ready to throw a leveling kit and some expensive shocks, and I'm probably still going to do that because it's got 175,000 miles on it, and these things are these shocks are wore out. So I'm probably still going to do that. But first step into making your truck ride right again is some body bushings, because mine, as you can see, wore slab out. It is ridiculous how much better this truck is driving right now. Now it drives like it's brand new. Brand new with a little more power. Well, I just pulled up to the shop and this thing rides so much better, and there's no rattle, and the body line lines up. I mean, look at this. That's amazing. So much better. Awesome. All right, if you guys want to check out some older episodes of Tow Rig Tech, they are all over here, over there. And be sure to let us know in the comments what you'd like to see us do to the truck next. I'm leaning towards that big 50-something gallon replacement fuel tank, but who knows? We'll see. Stay tuned.